burger. Delicious. The fuck? Is that the man who speaks in hands? Oh hell no! Man, f you! Oh hell no, bro! Hell no! No, bro! No! Chips. Yes, very delicious. No! Get out of here, bro! Chips. No bro, why is he here? No. Dada, may I borrow some money? Thank you. Alright, so we need and then orange juice. That's the shop. Alright. Like, can it walk faster? Why is it so slow? Ew, what is that? I'm not messing with.
Nom. That was delicious.
It's 100 times speed, bro. How could you be so slow? Please tell me that there's something, bro. What? It doesn't even give me an ending? Bro, is that a huge waste of time? Yo, I found a timer over here. Let's wait it out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Yo, this door's unlocked. Where the fuck am I, bro? It's like the... Is this the freezer? Hell no, bro. It doesn't even give me an ending. Yo. Hello? Yo, yo. No, 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 no! Chat, what's this? Hello? Oh, hello up there. Don't worry, I don't need saving or anything. I kinda like being down here, actually. Shut up. No, I will not. No. No, I accidentally drank it. That was like 20 minutes of recording I just deleted. Ew. I don't know why, but like, I just deleted 30 minutes of recording of me literally just standing next to the sewer. That for 30 minutes straight. What? Let's have this little tension. It's inside my heart, inside my body, into the bar. Stains all over, washing. The happy little acid, it's a lump of it. It's up to this immense, it's setting for today. I feel myself rushing up from all these sides. I cannot let this memory leave for all my day. Go back and put my body back into the away. A voice is calling to me, to set me free. And Abby, I bet I just be a citadel of victory. Okay, we get it. Shut up, bro. The fact that Roblox cubes and circles are having partners before me.